Hi guys, and welcome to another vlog. Today I'm back at Chessington World of Adventures. As you can hear the lovely theme music behind me. I'm here just for a chill day out. I'm here quite late. It's about 11 o'clock now already. And yeah, I'm just coming for a quick day out. I'll say, just got my temperature checked, hence I had to stop the thing. I'm just here for a quick construction update as we're now coming to spooky season, and also get some re-rides, go and have a look at the construction update on the new drop tower for next year, and also I've got some exciting news, but I'll get onto that at the end of the vlog, so I'll reveal all that then. But starting out, just coming through the gates, we've got the new Howl'O'Ween sign all come up. Brilliant theming. And yeah, time to go enjoy our day. I think I'll go and start with going through the Trail of the Kings. We'll have some look at some animals. So for viewers that may not know, back in the day before Chessington World of Adventures became a theme park, it used to be Chessington Zoo, and just down by the sea line display, which they have kept some of their zoo elements within the park, along with obviously all the rides and everything that's been added recently. So yeah, looks like our sea line's just chilling today. There are more, but I'm guessing they're either in bed or having some food. So as I say, we'll now go through the Trail of the Kings where all the big cats and things are, and I'll take you for the walk. These are all the different areas we're going to be going through. Nice map laid out that we're going to follow. With the new COVID measures, it is a one-way system now. It used to be that you could roam freely. But yeah, let's go and have a walk. So it seems today it's quite cold for the animals because the clouded leopards weren't any in sight, but the red fox is out running about. Don't know where it's gone now. Oh, there it is. Up on its perch. I'll wander around and go and get a closer look if it doesn't move. Hello. Oh, he's going again. Off he goes. Yeah, there's two of them now. Hello. It's coming to feeding time. Zoo team time to do some feeding. All excited. Playing chase the... Oh, there we are. Try and chase it off the bin. Of course, one of the main attractions of the big cats is the African lions. Having a nice lie down today. Very lazy. We've got this huge enclosure though. Had a nice little walk, stroll through the Trail of the Kings. Unfortunately, it seems that most of them were either hiding or being fed or whatever, so they weren't in sight. So yeah, just going to stroll over to the Sea Life Centre within Chessington. It's one thing I didn't get to experience last time I was here. Yeah, a nice little stroll through there. As I say, today's more of a chill out day. Just going around doing bits and bobs. I'm not in any rush, and it's a very, very quiet day. Like, maximum queue time is 10 minutes, I think. So yeah, as I say, we'll head over to Sea Life Centre and I'll take you through and see some of the fishies.
Remember, don't touch. This way.
A quick stroll through there, the Sea Life Centre. It is just a big marquee slapped in the middle of the park with a little amount of fish. But you know, it's nice for the kids to walk through, you know, going along with the zoo theme and all that, and being the world of adventures, they've got all the different animals, etc. So yeah, it's a nice little addition. But if you're wanting the full experience and stuff, I would recommend going to either the London Sea Life Centre, which obviously I did in my mega trip, or even the Alton Towers one. As I say, that's just as well themed and as good. Anyway, I'm now going to head on Room on a Broom. Have a look, walk through attraction, used to be Hocus Pocus. And yeah, for a full point of view run through, please check out my last vlog here from Chessington, as that has it included. So yeah, we'll go through now and have a nice, I'll do little snippets just for this vlog.
I am a dog.
Everyone, throw something in!
So just had a nice little walk through there of Room and a Broom, just walking back past the entrance, and yeah, it was nice to go through it again, you know, experience all the different things. Now, one thing is we're now coming up to spooky season. Now we're in October, and they're starting to get ready for Howl'O'Ween. Beyond your wildest dreams. So, in the queue line of Room and a Broom, since I last went, they've put these new flaps in place as you go through the building for the pre-show photo opportunity that isn't functional at the moment because of COVID, but they have these black flaps being put in place. So I'm guessing that's to do with creepy caves. And also behind me, they've blocked off a large area. And if I'll turn you around now and go over the top and show you the construction that they've done for the upcoming maze and experience that they've got to offer. It looks like this will either be a walk-through attraction or it's part of a queue line. Yet to find out. Now, I've personally never been to Chessington Howl'O'Ween, but it just excites me to see, you know, spooky season being set up, because obviously Alton Towers Scarefest and Thorpe Park Fright Nights, you know, they've already gone underway. And yeah, I'm sure this is going to be a good addition and event going forward, especially in these times, struggling with COVID. It's good to see that they're putting on an event still for the more kiddies. So yeah, anyway, I'm now walking up and go to the next thing. I think we'll head towards Vampire and the Gruffalo, see what's going on up there. So, in the old Bubble Works building, I'm going to go and take a ride on the Gruffalo River Ride, which is the same ride system, just been updated and rethemed. Again, a full point of view is on my last vlog, so I'll just do little snippets as we go for a ride. One bit of Bubble Works they did keep was the Magic Fountain. Oh, I do miss them. Got the Magic Fountain song. The trip there on the Grappolo River Ride Adventure. I still miss Bubbleworks, not gonna lie. And yeah, basically I'm now going to head on to Vampire, the oldest ride here since Ramsay's Revenge has got removed. But again, another Howl'O'Ween update. I'll now spin you round and show you some updates that have already come out ready. Now, I don't know if they're here permanently or they've been put in specially for Halloween, but one of the highlights is that the rides, we get to ride them at night. And the lighting packages, we got some PAR 64s here, IP rated, ready for lighting up Vampire, which is just about to come around from it sounds like. So I'll do some off-ride footage and see you after Vampire. Just come off the Vampire there. It's good to be back on a coaster. Interesting operations. They've got 2 trains running, but they seem to have bunched them up together, so they were going quite tightly round together, meaning there was a bit of a wait in the station even though it was walk on. We stood around for about 5 minutes waiting for one of the trains to get back. So yeah, but one thing is Black Buccaneer has obviously now ceased to exist, being replaced with Blue Barnacle. So yeah, and there's been some changes but not a lot, so I'll flip you round and give you a little overview, but there's not much to point out, only a few bits and bobs. It seems that because it's for 2021, they're, you know, they got quite a lot of time, and especially with COVID, they're having to take their time, obviously, with the construction limitations and stuff to do social distancing and all that. So as you can see, they've started putting the footers on top of the where the big mast will attach onto, and some of the fencing's being replaced in the background there. And a couple of new rocks, and where it looks like they've cleaned it up a bit on the floor, but apart from that not much has changed. They, as I say, they've got plenty of time until they need to get it ready for the 2021 season. They've got the whole of the winter construction time. So yeah, it looks like they are moving forward with it slowly, because there is a bench set up there with wood, I'm guessing to do the fence panels and things. So yeah, right, we'll move on to go to Dragon's Fury, I think. We're in Land of the Dragons, and I'll flip you around now and give you some off-ride shots and take a ride on Dragon's Fury. So I've just come off of Dragon's Fury, and it was a very, very damp ride as it started to peer down with rain, being British weather. Anyway, so because of this, I've made my way to the Land of the Tiger to go on what used to be as Dragon's Falls. It's now Tiger Rock, and yeah, it's the log flume, one of the only log flumes in the UK now, being the flume at Alton Towers and Loggers Leap Thorpe Park both shut now, so it's the only one left in the Merlin Park. And yeah, I'll spin you around, do some off-ride shots, and see you when I come off. The big Buddha that's been here ever since the start, I think might need a bit of a repaint. It's a little bit worse for wear. So just come off of Tiger Rock. Didn't actually get that wet, to be honest. I don't know if it's because I was on my own in my own boat and there wasn't enough weight, so I'm not that heavy. That there wasn't much of a wave, so I didn't get wet at all really. Anyways, the rain in Britain is lovely. It's absolutely starting to hammer it down now. So I'm going to make my way to the rainforest area, which is new for 2020, and check out the rides there. As when I came last time, I didn't really explore very much because I was with my friends, and the new rides for 2020 aren't exactly aimed at our age groups, but as an enthusiast myself, and now I'm on my own, I'll go and check out properly, which I didn't before. So yeah, I'll head on there now. So one thing that's changed for 2020 is Treetop Hoppers has spun 180 degrees, both of them on their way round, and is now incorporated into the rainforest area. So yeah, good thing. There's three attractions in this area, and this is one of them. Another new attraction for 2020 is a retheme of the cars that have now turned into jungle rangers. So I'm just walking through the queue then, and I'll take you on for a ride.
Take the wheel. You're off on an adventure through the rainforests of the world to spot some of the animals that call the rainforest their home. Be sure to press the button in your car that matches the creature when you see it. Here we go. First up is the toucan with its really large yellow beak. Did you press that button?
So as I say, new for 2020 is a retheme of Crazy Todd's cars to Jungle Rangers, and yeah, it's interactive for the kids. You've got these buttons that you press as you see the animals.
We have to be really quiet so as not to disturb that beautiful panther. Let's go. Look at that beautiful baby elephant.
In the distance there's the new log flume. It's a miniature one compared to Tiger Rock. I'll be taking a ride on that after this. And that's the third and final attraction in the rainforest area.
Don't be afraid. The snake you see is actually very friendly and won't harm you. The creature here is an orangutan. Quickly, press the button. I hear thunder. Let's take shelter in that hut. Oh no! Look at the cheeky monkeys that have raided our camp.
I have to say, it's very good theming for the retheme. Nice little attraction for the kids. be interactive. There's a nice ride there on Jungle Rangers, the second attraction there for the new rainforest area. I'm now going to go on the new log flume. As I was saying, it's a smaller version, but I believe you actually get wetter. So yeah, I'll do some off-ride footage and then have a ride and see you on the other side. So I've just come off of that new ride, and as you can see, I'm absolutely drenched from that. You get a lot more wetter on that little small ride, literally about a 5-minute ride, and there's only one drop and you get absolutely drenched. But yeah, anyway, you spend most of your ride going up the lift hill on that. I'm going to go and dry off a bit and get some food, and then we'll look at the construction for 2021 and go from there. So I just came out of my food. I went to Adventure Point Pizza and Pasta Buffet, which they're doing a online set menu thing where you order and it comes to your table. I have to say, it started off well. I had a little pasta pot, which was a little cute pot, and it was quite nice. Just, you know, your standard bolognese with penne pasta, and then a salad pot, which I had bits and bobs of it, but I'm not really a healthy eater, so I didn't have much of it, so I don't like lettuce much. I mean, I'll eat it, but anyway. And then had a 10-inch pizza that was pepperoni, and it was dry as anything. It was like eating cardboard, but anyway, hey ho, we move on. I'm now back in the elements of Britain. It's still chucking it down with rain, and yeah, I'll spin you around as I found some more Halloween theming ready for Halloween, and yeah, and then we'll head to Rattlesnake and over there. So yeah, preparations are well underway. Throughout the park there's little pieces of theming here and there, so yeah, look forward to seeing it all. Haven't got much longer left in the park today because it's near closing, but I'm not leaving the park later. I'll explain that when we wrap up the vlog. And so we'll now head to Rattlesnake, have a quick ride on that. It's one of my favourite rides here now that Ramsay's Revenge has unfortunately disappeared. And once we come off Rattlesnake, I'll take you where Ramsay's Revenge used to be, and we'll look at the jaw-dropping attraction coming for 2021, and I'll have an update on that. Anyway, let's go on Rattlesnake. Hey. Just come off of Rattlesnake there. It was very good, got lots of airtime, and yeah, it was lovely to experience it. One thing I am noticing though throughout the park is kiosks and things aren't manned by people, like the photo points and stuff. I'm guessing because it's a quiet day that you know, it's not needed to be staffed, unlike a weekend when maybe you got a lot more busier here with kids and everything not being in school. But it also means that you have to use the self collection points for your photos, and most of them aren't functioning. They're either turned off or just says this can't be get things. You can't get it, but yeah, hey ho, we'll see. Anyway, off to seeing the new jaw-dropping ride. That's certainly come a lot further from when I last saw it. Anyway, I'll flip you around and show you. So unfortunately, we have lost a very good ride of Ramsay's Revenge, but we've got a new drop tower. There's going to be a huge crocodile, and as you can see, if I zoom in there, they've put all the side work on now and got piping for, I'm guessing, the smoke effects and visual effects. It's going to be certainly a spectacle, like Ramsay's Revenge was to watch off-ride as well as on-ride. Coming further around, you can see here that they built a little tower, it seems. So yeah, certainly it's constructed on its way, and you can see a worker there working even in the pouring rain, so it's certainly come on a lot further. I've got hieroglyphics there, I can't quite see it, but there's lots of concrete gone in and with hieroglyphics and stuff, and they've been putting hieroglyphics around Surrey, so I'm not quite sure what they mean. I haven't really looked into them yet, but I'm sure it's to do with the ride, unearthing, you know, different facts about it probably, and the name. Anyway, I'm going to go and take a ride on Tomb Blaster, as in the queue line you can see a nice overview of the construction site, and I'll give you a view as I walk through. Before I go to Tomb Blaster, here's just another look at more hieroglyphics and concrete work that have gone into place since I last looked, and it's around the other side where you can see a much better view of the metalwork and everything that's gone in with the piping, and it seems that they put even more things to attach on the facade. So yeah, certainly construction's happening fast here at Chessington World of Adventures. Anyway, time for Tomb Blaster. So unfortunately they have shut the extension queue line, which is where you can see the construction from. So I'm just going through and we shall see what happens. I did a point of view ride in my last vlog, so check that out if you want to see it, but I'll see you on the other side. There she goes. So just come out of Tomb Blaster. Yeah, I'm not really a shooter game, I just enjoy going through to watch the theming and stuff, and certainly with the I prefer the old version, but hey ho, they spruced it up and made it more colourful, and changed the storyline slightly. But I'm now heading to Safari to do my last ride of the day, and then we'll head out through Chessington Zoo to do the last few animals that I didn't see earlier, and then we'll wrap up this vlog. So again, I've done a point of view of Safari on my last vlog, but if I see animals a bit closer this time, depending where I'm sitting, I will show you it on this. Anyway, let's head in.
Dogs and giraffes.
Giraffes! Wow!
Or, to use their scientific name, Camelopardalis.
They got no name because they
Some more magnificent beasts than
Rhino!
the rhino around the reserve are white rhino. Now you may want to hold on to your noses for a bit here, researchers. Wherever you get rhino, you also get a lot of rhino dung.
Rhino don't what? Poo?
Yes, male rhinos like to be on their own, so they mark out their territory with piles of their dung to warn off other males.
Their impressive horns are made from a chemical which is actually the same substance as your hair and fingernails, and is highly prized in many cultures. Sadly, poaching for their horns continues to be a threat to rhinos all over the world.
The white rhino, though, like those here, are the most plentiful species.
I think rhinos are super cool.
Nice quick trip there on Safari. As you saw, I tried to capture that most of the animals are inside again, because obviously it is a nice wet day in Britain, down here in Surrey. So yeah, unfortunately they're all hiding away, which I don't blame them really, but still nice to have a little trip around there. I'm now just walking back out towards Chessington Zoo area, where I'll capture the penguins and bits that I didn't earlier for you guys, and then I'll wrap up this vlog for you, and see you when I'm out there. Goats all keeping under cover. You can tell I'm probably a bit cold because I'm shaking on the camera. Hello. But even though all the monkeys are inside, there's Halloween theming for them to play with and climb up, I'm guessing. But hey ho.
Isn't that funny? He's following Daddy.
So it's nice to be back and get on some of the rides again. It's been a great day. As I say, nice chill one, and mainly to go and see the Howl'O'Ween and jaw dropping tower that's coming as an update, see the construction and stuff. But I'm leaving the park, but I'm about to go in the staff entrance because I've luckily got a job as a Halloween host. So I'm actually going for my induction and training, hence why I'm here today. And yeah, let's go and do that. So I'm going to say goodbye for today because I've got to go and do my training. But it's been a good one, and if you're coming to Howl'O'Ween at Chessington, drop me a message and we'll try and meet up, or come and see me on an attraction if I'm working, we'll see. Anyway, see you on guys, to the next one.